What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. As you can see by the title, I am going to be unboxing the PlayStation 5. So very good news. It was supposed to actually get here 3 days later. So we actually got it in earlier from the restock. So obviously it's been long awaited, highly desirable. So I'm just happy that it finally came in, and to get it today is definitely something I'm happy about. So can't wait to test it out. We're definitely going to do a side-by-side comparison from the PlayStation 4 into the upgraded PlayStation 5, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to set it up. So let me flip the camera around, and then I'll cut it open for you. As you can see, the box is huge. It basically takes up almost the whole table. So let's cut it open. Let's see what we have. What we have. Play like never before. There we go. This is what it looks like coming out the box. Beautiful, beautiful first look. Comes in 8K, 4K, HDR, however you want to play. So I'll definitely be upgrading from my traditional 1080p setup for sure. So let's crack open the box. This is what the back side looks like. All the details. So the box is huge. Another box. It's like a briefcase. So many boxes. So this side, quick start guide is what comes in. Can y'all see this? Quick start guide in the box. Safety guide, regular stuff. See, power cord. Get to this in a second. HDMI cord. Cool stuff. The controller itself. Let's check out the controller. Ooh, looking good, looking fresh. Loving the controller vibes. Make sure y'all can see it. Loving it, loving it. Details look good. Like the white. Matches the crib. Then also the charger. USB charger. So the wireless controller. So it's all good. Make this up better. Then we have PlayStation 5 itself. Nice and secure, which I guess in a way makes it easy to ship. That's always good. A lot of boxes, a lot of cardboard involved. Let's check it out. So, this thing is huge. Oh. So here we have it. This is what I've been waiting for. PlayStation 5, there we go, live and in the flesh. Beautiful. It's huge though. It is huge. It's heavy. This is the disc version. I didn't want to get the digital version just because, I mean, every other system I have has come with the disc. So I think I would rather have this version than the digital, just to have those options. So it's good to keep it, you know, the options open on both sides. You can see the power button here, the eject button here, USB port, so all the little attachments for accessories and things like that. Kind of reminds me of like a Wi-Fi router, low key. HDMI ports, everything you need to hook it up. It's kind of beautiful though. Beautiful. So I may keep it set up like this, or I may lay it flat. So this piece right here that came in the box as well is what enables you to keep it flat. Open this up. Because as you can see, it's kind of like leaning. It really kind of rocks side to side. So I think you take it this way, latch it on. Latch it on like that. And you can see it holds on the bottom like that. And you can just lay it flat. That way it sits up. You don't have to worry about it shaking or anything like that. Unless you like push it forward. But like, yeah, it's sturdy, it's flat. It's definitely flat, so it looks good. Looks good fresh out the box. This is what you get. I like it, I'm a fan of it. Definitely worth the wait. Took me a few months, but better late than never. Better late than never. So right now, let me show you what it looks like up against the PS4. I had initially set up. Check it out. So the PS4 right here, you can see a significant difference in size on the PS4. This is the 1 terabyte Pro PS4 though, so it's not like the other ones, but sized up against the PS5. Definitely like the white and black over the all black for sure. So definitely an upgrade, at least for my settings. See a flat view. Flat view. Both can't even fit on my table, really. Take a look at that. It's good. I'm not sure this is even gonna fit actually underneath my TV stand, but the controller, we'll do it side by side. PlayStation 4 controller. So this is the PS4 one versus the PS5 one. So check them out. Slight difference. A little more length on the PS5 one versus the PS4 one. Side by side, so you get a little more handle room, which is always a good thing. Same buttons, XOs, triangle, square. And then as you can see, USB charging port for the wireless. I know it's backlit on the PS5, so this area is gonna be backlit versus the PS4, where this area has the blue backlight on it, so I kept that. PS5 controller definitely looks a little more bulky too, compared to the PS4 one. So it's cool. Feels a lot better. Stand them up. This piece slides off, okay. Cool. Put that back on in a second. So this looks, so this one, I like it. You can see the details too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see the ridges and everything in it. Smooth here, there's more ridges in it, and smooth here. So, beautiful controller, I love it already. And then we can compare it to the Xbox One, 2. Get to see all three. Xbox One. Check out the Xbox One. But Xbox always been huge too though, so Xbox One. That's the PS5. PS5 is still bigger, man. This thing is huge. So there's a side by side of the Xbox One. And then this is the controller for the obviously Xbox One controller versus PS5. Xbox One controller is still smaller. So PS5 seems like the next gen has a bigger controller, at least from handle space. So as you can see, like this size versus this size, you can kind of cover a little more handle between the three. So that's what it looks like. Comparison. We lay it flat. Sheesh. These actually may not fit. How huge. Both of these are. So there you have the Xbox One versus the PS4 and PS5, all side-by-side comparison. PlayStation 4 is easily the biggest system I've ever owned, which is crazy. You would think it would get smaller over the time. I would anticipate them releasing a slim version over time, because they always do. Between Microsoft and Sony, they both do that. So good side-by-side there. I'll set it up to show you all what it looks like in my entertainment system. And that way, you get a real view of how I play the game. So, be right back. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna take out the PS4 out of this slot from my setup, and then pop in the PS5. So, take this. I'm just gonna go and put this piece back on. It just clips on, actually. Take it. This. PS5. Right into this slot right here. Connect it. So, must admit, it does fit. Barely fits, but it fits. It actually cleared it, so I'm excited about it. I don't have to put it on the top part right here. So, once I set that up, it's actually gonna look phenomenal. I love it. Love the view already. Love it already. Compared to the PS4. So I still may rock with the PS4. Put it on the side. Use it for something else. Who knows? Do it that way, but definitely a good look. Definitely a good upgrade. So I'm excited about it for sure. Okay, we all set up. Now let's see if it works. And then there we have it. I might do another video for gameplay, so let me know. Also, this is the only controller I have right now, so let me know with some good accessories for the PS5 that y'all may already have heard of or seen. Definitely want to add some more accessories and everything like that, but you already know the first game is Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So thanks again. If you liked the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and more unboxings to come. So thank you guys so much for watching the video and tuning in with me.